Hello everybody, it's time for weekend review of Nifty. A very happy Eid to all. For disclaimer, please refer to my website chartvideo.com/disclaimer. After 6 weeks of upweek, the week which just went by saw a minute correction. Well, let us see how long is this particular correction lasting. Let's go to the daily chart of Nifty. For almost 9 days, the index is not moving anywhere. As of now, the immediate support and resistances are of paramount importance. Swing high wise, this particular area is quite a significant support. I would like to say it this way: 10,850, 10,890 odd levels would be a support area for the Nifty. On the upside, breakaway past 11,341 will create fresh demand. Looking at the charts closely, Nifty closed a shade below this particular support line, which was at around 11,090. Move past this particular line may again be a signal that the short-term trend is up. As of now, the short-term trend appears to be clearly on the downside. A rising trend line can be drawn to trace the upward trajectory of Nifty. The trend line as of now is at around 10,890 odd levels. The importance of this trend line further increases because the trend line and the 30-period simple moving averages both are moving almost parallelly. Well, the 200-day SMA, here it is. Value of the 200-day SMA is also at around that same level of 10,860. So for next week, the price action and the chart seems to suggest the level of 10,850-60 odd levels to 10,880-90 odd levels would be a major decider, and let's see whether will it violate and go on the downside, or it may again move up. You may recall that I had told you about this particular trend line on the RSI. It had violated, met its projection, again was moving up, but somehow was resisted at the extension of the rising trend line. A trend line needs to be extended because in the next rise, generally the price, and in that case here is not the price, here is the indicator, generally gives you a major resistance zone. It has hit the resistance zone and thereafter it's falling a little. Was the green channel on the indicator itself? The indicator may have just violated the channel. However, the entire thing been so near, I may just say it this way, that the indicator is almost at the support of this particular rising channel. Should it break down, what can happen? Well, from 72 you deduct the value of 60, that means take away 12. So from 61, 62 odd level, the indicator in that case may come down to sub 50 levels or at around the 48 levels. Support of an indicator at the equilibrium line might just be healthy after a brief correction. In case the indicator holds itself out, well, we may have another bout of buying from here. The ADX PDI MDI combo, well, the PDI is at 28, quite okay. The ADX is at 39, quite okay. But if we just enlarge this particular indicator and see it on a wider scale, ADX had flattened itself out on Friday. This might be a one-off, but if it continues, it might just well signal that the strong uptrend which we were witnessing might just be over. In an effort to encourage traders from learning technical analysis from the comfort of your home at your pace and at an economic price, here's a website chartvideo.com. Support resistance video contains discussion on necessary price action, trends, supports and resistances along with interpretation of open interest in futures. Moving average video covers all characteristics of moving average, slope, deviation, confluence and effects of major and minor moving averages on price. It has an exclusive trading strategy for intraday traders. Our ADX is a unique tutorial video where aspect of trading market and trending market has been discussed along with little known but all important ADX characteristics. It winds up with an intraday trading strategy which can be extended to short-term and positional trading. RSI Vantage, a new addition in the course, covers comprehensively all aspects of RSI to look at the market from Vantage point of view. 4 trading strategies have been discussed, out of which one is an intraday trading strategy. This tutorial video is a must across all time frames. Log in and enroll yourself to sharpen your skills with the most powerful trading rules. Here is RSI on 60-minute chart of Nifty. It has moved down below the equilibrium line and perhaps as of now it appears it is in tandem with the price. Continuing with the 60-minute time frame, the ADX depicted by the black line here is quite flat in nature and is currently placed at 20. This is indicating that as of now we are witnessing a trading market. Now moving on to the open interest change interpretation. On 29th of July, we had a considerable rise in open interest. Thereafter, in next 2 days, there was no major change in the open interest. That means price was falling from a higher level, whereas the open interest was more or less flattish in nature, which gives an indication somewhere down under this particular fall might be arrested, and as of now no major open interest buildup has taken place so as to suggest that this downfall might be serious in nature. The last time we saw the put call ratio, it was at 1.74 odd. From there it had again shot up to 1.83 and considerable cooling down thereafter has taken place and is presently at 1.31. Let us have a graphical view of this particular ratio. Well, there it is. Somewhere down the line, it seems that the buoyancy as of now is slightly missing. However, nothing to be worried of. It's right now at 1.31. Previous time, it had moved upward from 1.19. Well, coming to the conclusion, supports are visible at 10,850 to 10,890. Indicators suggest a minor fall or small trading range may come up. The derivative data also points at slight dip in indices but no major fall as such. The area to watch out for will be the 200-day SMA, the trend line, 30-period SMA and the swing high here. Well, all of them at 10,850 to 10,890. Let's see whether we get that level or not. People do ask me about Bank Nifty. Well, सच पूछिए तो हम तो बच्चे हैं. बैंक निफ्टी किधर जाएगा, कहां करेगा, कितना उछलेगा, कौन जानता है. But as of now, it appears that a short-term downtrend is on and if we plot the 50-day simple moving average, it is somewhere around 10,256. Given the trend, the index may find its support at the 50-day moving average. In case, as of now, we are getting slightly lower high and lower low. In case if it crosses this particular high, which is at 22,350 odd, this particular short-term downtrend may change for the upside. Let's see which way it turns out. Happy trading. Bye.